Determining the electromagnetic processes, exactly this sequence forms. Universal laws that define everything in classical physics for our world, but energy inside nanoworlds, it exceeds the nuclear unthinkable number of times, 10 to the 74th power. Rotary motion of the ether elements can be converted into vibrational and further into electricity. Exactly like hidden power of steam converts the motion of a locomotive. You only need to make a locomotive for the nanoworld that will force its elements to vibrate. If we succeed, it means a fundamental new source of energy that creates high-frequency electricity from any point of space. Conductor of special shapes directs vibrations of ether elements along its surface. That will force its elements to vibrate. It is important to keep this vibration constant. That's why conductors must save energy. Such a conductor is called a resonator. Vibration is saved if lost radiation is less than 0.01. In this film, especially in CGI, everything is possible. But in reality, it's more complex. Distinct knowledge of the matter on subatomic levels, and of course financing for this process. For all existing resonators, coefficient of reflection is less than 1, but in our case it is higher. It means the resonators have converted inside energy of ether into electricity. Hypothesis of using energy of nanoworld is confirmed, and therefore makes useless all efforts of humanity for improving usage of wood, coal, oil, ecologically dangerous chemical and nuclear energy. As you know, all projects of perpetual motion machines are not even accepted by any patent office. But in our hands, it's not perpetual motion machines. It's just a converter of ether energy into electricity. The other thing, that energy of nanoworld itself is inexhaustible. Physically, it's possible to imagine the motion of the flag relative to the air, like how the fish swims in water, or like a snake crawls on the land. They use the environment for the movement. And you can also use the environment of the nanoworld to produce movement as well. If you break the symmetry of the resonator, the power won't be counterbalanced, and it will bounce off the ether, like a fish or snake moving against the environment. This is the resonator that converts the energy of the nanoworld into electricity. All other working resonators appeared very familiar. This is the model of the nanoworld with an axis of symmetry. All of them are symbols of power and energy. Is it an accident? Science model of nanoworld unites the symbols of all the religions. We just need to conduct the source of energy, and electrocharges excite resonators, and begin to move according to all the laws of physics. You can combine a battery with many elements. Here they must work in one direction. Such converting will keep resonance properties. Repeating the operation in a different axis or poles, you can enlarge traction force, Further compression of the system enlarges its unit of power density. Looks like a carpet plane from fairy tale. The development and implementation of such energy sources will lead to a new technical revolution.